Welcome to SPLUS software training course. This video will show you how to install the database. First, install the software. Check the terms and conditions and proceed to the next step. Uncheck Azure extension for SOL server. Select Mixed Mode in the Authentication mode, and enter the system administrator's account and password. Then wait for the installation to complete. When the green fills the entire progress bar, it means that the installation is complete. Click Close after the installation is complete. Find the SQL folder and open the SQL Server Configuration Manager program. Find protocols for SPLUS-Express. Select Yes in the Enabled option. Then modify the IP address. Now, you have successfully completed the database installation.